What's up guys, it's your boy, Mad Mike. Today, I'm gonna hop on my 2006 Honda crf450 and go out for a little shakedown run. It's pouring rain out right now, so I'll throw the GoPro on. We'll see if we can get some shots riding on the trail. But basically, I'm gonna be converting this bike into a snow bike. It's gonna be my new project for the winter. So I wanna take it out for a good rip, make sure everything's running good, see if there's any issues, because the last thing I want is for a bike that's running like crap out in the backcountry. That's no bueno. So let's go ahead, hop on the bike, take it for a ride, and see if it's all good. Yo! Alrighty then. So guys, this is the 2006 Honda crf450. About 2 seasons ago, I had the same model, same year bike that I had a 2Moto Radix Snowbike kit on, and I was blown away. But this year, I'm gonna take this bike and put a Timber Sled or a Yeti kit on it, maybe a Casmo, if I can, Camso, whatever the hell you call it, if I can find a good deal on one. But anyways, I'm trying to do this bike on a budget, trying to stay under 6 grand for the entire build. I met 2 guys from Spain the other day that I picked this bike off of. They're super rad guys, and they gave me a good deal on this bike, so hopefully it's running good and hopefully there's no issues. Apparently it's got a full rebuild to the motor. I got all the bills. The good news is it's got a, let's show you here. The good news is, you see what that says? Yeah, boys. So it's got a REKLUSE clutch on it. About 2 winters ago, I got in a bad snowmobile accident. I blew up my elbow in 10 places, got pins, plates, you name it, and I got bad nerve damage. So it's been really hard for me to pull in my clutch. So with the REKLUSE clutch, I'm able to pop it into gear and basically just give it throttle, and it kind of drives like an automatic car. So that's gonna be good news for me. And apparently it's a lot better for snowbiking too, because when you're on a steep incline, you're always on the throttle, and if you're shifting constantly with your big, thick, heavy, wet gloves, it gets to be a little annoying. It's pouring rain, my camera's getting wet. Let's fire up the bike, slap on the GoPro, and go and test it out. Yoo! Alright guys, I only have 17% on my GoPro battery. It took me like 20 minutes to get the bike to start up. Once it died, it was impossible to kick over, so I had to bump start it. So let's just hop on it while it's running. It's all downhill once I get up there, so if I can't start it, at least I can bump start it on the way down. Alright, let's go try it out. REKLUSE clutch, crf450. So good, guys. The ground's nice and wet. The last couple times that I came out, it was super dry, so you had to go pretty slow. But already, going from a 252 stroke back onto a 450, oh man, the suspension's incredible. The power is just, it's there. So, it's only been a couple minutes of riding with the REKLUSE clutch, but you can go pretty slow. You can slow right down and it doesn't stall in on you without having to pull in the clutch lever, which is super nice. I hope the battery works for a while. Let's try going slow in 2nd gear now, guys. I'm in 2nd gear, not stalling out, no clutch. That's amazing. We're up in the clouds now. So I wonder if I pull in the clutch when I go around the turn, if I can rev it up and then dump it. Yeah, still operates like a normal clutch. Whoa, this thing wheelies like a machine, boys. I'm loving this so far. Brand new tires front and back. Apparently it's got a full rebuild on the motor. I got all the receipts that show it. The guy spent like $4,500 and another 1,200 to put in the REKLUSE clutch. So I think I got a pretty good deal. Yeah, I'm gonna convert this over into a Snowbike for the winter, so definitely doing the shakedown rod, making sure everything is working as it should. Because you don't want problems in the backcountry when it's snowing out. It's the worst. And you got a track and a ski on, so you can't just push it out. Second gear, going around the corner like super slow. Man, that's awesome. No clutch work. It's good for my arm because I got bad nerve damage to my left arm. Oh, she's pissing out now, boys. I don't care. A little bit of rain never hurt nobody, eh? Riding in my t-shirt. Didn't have time to put my jersey back on because I was kicking the bike over for like 20 minutes and I got so hot. Where I'm going to, it might actually turn into snow on top, boys. Woo! Love 450s. This is sick. Oh, she's chilly. I'm soaking wet. Shakedown rod. Da-da-da. Little bridge. Popping down to second gear. Just cruising. Little river. Look at this climb though. I can climb up super slow. Second gear, not even stalling out on me. Oh, this is gonna be awesome on trails. Wheelie! I want to get out to the backcountry this year and do a bunch of freestyle dirt biking, FMX, snowbiking. Oh man, it is chilly. Look at this. No need for the clutch. It's like driving an automatic. This is amazing. I am loving this. Third gear. So I thought a REKLUSE would shift automatically for you, but I guess you gotta pick what gear you want to be in still. Which is totally fine. It's so weird, I have the urge to want to pull in the clutch lever every time I'm going around a corner, but no need to do that. Dude, this is insane. I'm so stoked. Comment below, let me know if you guys are stoked to see this snowbike build. Let me know if you guys have ever tried snowbiking. About 3 years ago I built my first snowbike and it was insane. Ever since then I've been hooked. The best part is, compared to snowmobiling, you can go wherever you want, turn wherever you want, like on a dime. Snowmobiles are cool, but they're kind of restricted too. First gear, just cruising up this. This is going to be awesome for trail riding. Alright guys, I hope the camera's still recording. We got it up to the viewpoint. That concludes the test ride for today. Woo! By neutral. Let's see if the camera's still recording. 17% was pretty low. The shakedown test was good. Bike is running good. So let's get back down, start stripping it down, and start looking for a timber sled kit. Thanks for watching.